It's annual maintenance day. We got 6 of these to do before lunch, and then I'll be able to go home and enjoy my life. Because I own this shindig and I do what I want. And what I want to do is go home, because that's where all my stuff and things are. We're in a condo development today in Plymouth, Mass, taking care of some great customers of mine. Word of mouth has spread across this giant community over the last 9 years that I've been in business. And I'm in this one development at least 2 full days a week, and it's just a great consistent client base. Annual maintenance contracts are great, because you get to keep record of the equipment on site, stock necessary parts for regular and emergency repairs, and 99% of the time, get the system replacement when the equipment decides to leave planet Earth. First one of the day was pretty uneventful and boring. The second one of the day, I found these broken low voltage wires that are going to the contactor. I found that the landscapers caused a ton of damage this year spreading mulch, which is kind of fucking weird because I don't know how you manage to do that much damage spreading mulch, but I guess they just don't give a shit like everyone else because they're gone and the homeowners are stuck with the bill. But I come back every year and do this shit, so I guess I'm actually kind of a big fan of these landscapers, so let's go, boys, keep it up. So, we're gonna take the top off of this bitch and give her the old how's your father. Bam. Nice and clean. I ended up cutting out the chewed section of wire and just spliced it together. Taped it up good, tucked it behind the conduit, gave her the option to run a new wire from the furnace to the condenser and left it at that. She just said, patch it up, call it a day, get her back up and running, boom, ready for summer. There's a lot more of this service than what I'm showing, like checking the contactor coil resistance, testing the capacitor, checking the evap coil and cleaning it if it needs it. I vacuum out the condensate drain lines, drop a useless tablet in the condensate pump, and check running amps when everything is put back together. I'm going to check this spinny thing here, which doesn't spin very well at all, which that kind of sucks because I replaced this condenser fan motor 2 years ago. I'm going to throw some graffiti on the back of this cover and maybe a note to my future self that says, if you're reading this, you haven't snapped yet. So we're still winning. For now.